Viewers, Aam Aadmi Party stormed a landslide victory in Punjab just 2 years ago. And Aam Aadmi Party came to power in the state. Bhagwant Mann became the chief minister and delivered on one of the key promises that sealed the victory for the Aam Aadmi Party: 300 free units of electricity. However, freebies seem to have pushed the Punjab government into a debt trap. And the state is currently looking at a debt of about 3.74 lakh crore rupees by the end of 2024-25, amounting to more than 46% of the state's total GDP of over 8 lakh crore rupees. Now, Punjab's financial crisis has forced the state to seek a bailout package from the 16th Finance Commission. During a meeting with the members of the Finance Commission in July, Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann sought funds worth 1.32 lakh crore rupees to give impetus to development in the state. Opposition has blamed freebies and mismanagement of funds by the Mann government to such a crisis. In fact, in June, the State Finance Department recently red-flagged this issue during a review meeting that was chaired by the Chief Minister after the Lok Sabha election results. In a presentation that was prepared by the Finance Department, it was pointed out that if some immediate measures are not taken, the state may find it very, very difficult to even pay salaries and power subsidy bill.
वाला होने के स्टेज में आ गए हैं और मेरा ये कहना है कि जनता को भी समझना चाहिए और इन नेतृत्व करने वाले किसी भी राजनीतिक दल के लोग हों, सरकार हो, उनको इस बात का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि निःशुल्क चीजें देते देते सीमा तक न पहुंच जाओ कि अर्थव्यवस्था बैठ जाए, और अर्थव्यवस्था बैठ जाएगी तो प्रदेश बैठ जाएगा, राज्य बैठ जाएगा.
It's a totally mismanagement of the Aam Aadmi Party government. That's true. It's not. It's increasing day by day. 31,000 crore. It's earlier when Akali Dal government was there. So it's that time they have misused that funds and all that. So that's why it happens. And some of the amount, it's because of the terrorism time. That amount is also there. But now, every day mismanagement of the government, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ये इससे नुकसान हो, हमारा डेट डेली का डेली बढ़ रहा है.
Now, viewers, free electricity that was promised, 300 units of free power for every household. And this is something that was promised, and this is a reality check of Mann's government that Times Now has done. This is what the promise was before the elections, and after the polls, we have seen a hike in tariffs, over 300 units of consumption. 1,000 rupee aid to women was the promise, 1,000 rupees per month to every adult woman. And after polls, Mann government is yet to launch the scheme. And apart from this, there was also a promise of 2,500 rupees as old age pension. They had promised that the pension will be increased from 1,500 rupees to 2,500 rupees per person. And after the polls, Mann government is yet to launch this particular scheme. Freebies clearly were announced before the elections, but after the elections, we have really seen not much of this promise really translating into action. Let me now go across to my colleague Amandeep, who has got us this exclusive news break. Amandeep, now this is absolutely shocking because a lot of announcements were made to get the votes by the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab, but after elections, it seems, nothing of that has translated into real action on the ground.
Well, absolutely, Hina. First, before elections in 2022, Aam Aadmi Party government, Aam Aadmi Party has promised several freebies, including free electricity, free water, and even 1,000 rupees to the females, adult females in the entire state. And in fact, the pension would be increased to 2,500. But after coming into power, Bhagwant Mann, Chief Minister of Punjab, when he witnessed the entire financial situation of the state Aam Aadmi Party is only able to make the promise promise of providing 300 electricity units, which turn out to be the biggest burden on the financial status of the state. And in fact, now the electricity, only the electricity, including subsidies to the agriculture sector, rural sector, and the urban sector also, including that 300 free units, costing more than 22,000 crore to the Punjab government, to the exchequer. And in fact, that is the reason the Punjab government has not able to complete their other freebie promises, including 1,000 rupees to the adult females, and in fact to increase the pension also, just because financial status of the Punjab is not allowing them. And that is the reason they are also seeking the bailout package from the 16th Finance Commission before the budget session in the Parliament also. And the status and the situation of the Punjab financial situation is quite hectic, and Punjab is a debt-ridden state. 1,37,000 crore rupees is the debt that Punjab is owning and has to pay off. And in fact, the Punjab is borrowing the money as well. So that turned out to be the biggest concern of the Punjab government also, that how to make their freebie promises implemented, and in fact how to put the Punjab into a beneficiary state. Though Aam Aadmi Party Hina is claiming that since the Aam Aadmi Party government came into power, the Punjab's financial status has been improved. And in fact, the party is also blaming the previous governments that putting and dragging the state of Punjab into the debt-ridden state. And in fact, they are all blaming that earlier the politicians and the ministers,
right,
they have not benefited the government departments, but they have got the money from the government departments to their personal use. But
right,
the situation is quite different, that more than 22,000 crore rupees is the only expense of the subsidies
right,
of electricity
but the big
for the
concern
urban.
really is that the huge debt that Punjab government is seeing at this point in time, can blaming the previous regimes be an answer to the situation that Punjab is facing right now? Amandeep, requesting you to stay on with us. We are also joined by Mr. R. Rajgopalan, senior journalist on the broadcast, Sanjeev Kaushik, who is a political analyst, also with us on the broadcast this morning. Good morning. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us here on Times Now. I'll come to you in just a bit. In fact, we have a reaction coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party as well on this news break. Aam Aadmi Party, on the other hand, has shrugged off all the charges leveled against it and pinned the blame on previous governments for the crisis. Aam Aadmi Party has alleged that previous governments did not work to pull the state out of debt and bring it into profits, and were busy, in fact, enhancing their own accounts. Aam Aadmi Party has even claimed that now the government is turning debt into profit as the revenue goes to the exchequer, and the current government is trying to improve the state's financial position, which was not the concern of the previous governments. Listen in.
देखिए, यदि ये मिसमैनेजमेंट होती तो हमारा तो जीएसटी भी बढ़ रहा है, हमारा स्टैम्प ड्यूटी बढ़ रहा है, हमारी इनकम तो बढ़ रही है, ठीक है ना। आप देखिए, अभी हमने पिछले दिनों ही जिम्पा जी भी बता रहे थे कि 71% का जो ग्रोथ आया, ठीक है ना। एक्साइज से भी हमारा पैसा बढ़ा है, जितना पैसा इनके समय आता था अब उससे डबल आ रहा है। तो ये मिसमैनेजमेंट नहीं है, बल्कि इन द्वारा जब इनकी सरकारें थी पिछले 30 साल में, इन्होंने जो पंजाब का बेड़ा गर्क किया, जिस ढंग से इन्होंने लोन लिए, ठीक है ना, और कर्ज के उसके चक्कर में पंजाब को डुबो दिया, वो ऐसे विशेष साइकिल में पंजाब को इन्होंने घुसा दिया कि वहां से निकलना मुश्किल हो पा रहा है।
Let's now go across to my guests who are joining us on the broadcast. And let's take a quick reaction from Sanjeev Kaushik, who is a political analyst first. Sanjeev Kaushik जी, आपने सुना आम आदमी पार्टी का क्या कहना है? क्या हर बार अभी जो करंट स्थिति है उसके लिए प्रीवियस गवर्नमेंट को ठहराना दोषी जायज़ है? क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं 3.7 लाख करोड़ का इस वक्त जो है डेट है पंजाब के ऊपर। इलेक्शन से पहले तो भर भर के फ्रीबीज अनाउंस किए जाते हैं और उसके बाद स्टेट एक्सचेकर पे इतना ज़्यादा बर्डन आ जाता है। कौन जिम्मेवार है इसके लिए? बिकॉज डेवलपमेंटल प्रोजेक्ट सफर करते हैं, जनता सफर करती है बाद में। तो
आम आदमी पार्टी के पास कोई जादू की छड़ी तो है नहीं कि 2 सालों में सब कुछ दुरुस्त कर दे। पूर्ववर्ती सरकारों की छाप तो रहेगी और उसे दुरुस्त करने में वक्त भी लगेगा, कहने में कोई गुरेज नहीं है। सवाल यह है कि लगातार जो फ्री बीज की राजनीति की बात करी जा रही है कि आम आदमी पार्टी ही करती है, कौन नहीं करता है। आप लाडली बहना से लाडली भैया तक पहुंच जाए तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हिंदुस्तान में यदि केंद्र सरकार की राजनीति या भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रदेशों में इस तरह की राजनीति अपने जनता के लिए किया जाए, जनता के भलाई के लिए किया जाए, उस पर तो आम आदमी पार्टी ने कभी प्रश्न खड़ा नहीं किया। क्या आम आदमी पार्टी केवल पंजाब में हो या दिल्ली में हो और देश की जनता को, किसी भी देश की जनता को, मैं तो दावे के साथ कहता हूं कि हमारे हिंदुस्तान के सारे लोगों को फ्री में बिजली मिलनी चाहिए, पानी मिलनी चाहिए, स्वास्थ्य मिलनी चाहिए और शिक्षा मिलनी चाहिए। इस पर काम करने की जरूरत है। सिवाय इसको और मजबूत करने के लगातार भारतीय जनता पार्टी उस करने का प्रयास करती है। तो ये तो हक है, बुनियादी हक है ना। स्वास्थ्य बुनियादी हक है, शिक्षा बुनियादी हक है, बिजली बुनियादी हक है। आप बच्चों को क्या चाहती है? बच्चे पढ़े नहीं, पढ़ के आगे भविष्य में बेहतर काम नहीं कर पाए। तो ये लगातार जो घेरने का प्रयास किया जाता है, आखिर पंजाब की सरकार को, पूर्ववर्ती सरकार को हटा के लोगों ने आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनाई क्यों? इसी उम्मीद में कि स्थितियां बेहतर होंगी, जो सारी अब कुव्यवस्थाएं फैली हुई है वो मजबूत होंगी। और लगातार पार्टी ये काम कर रही है। पार्टी अपने राजस्व के प्रति भी चिंतित है और उसे बढ़ाने का भी प्रयास कर रही है। लेकिन केंद्र सरकार को सिवाय उसके मदद करने के, उसको हेल्प करने के लिए, उस स्टेट को मजबूत करने के लिए उनको लग रहा है कि हमारी एंट्री नहीं हो रही है। यहाँ ना दिल्ली में एंट्री हो रही है, ना पंजाब में किसी तरह की कोई बात है। बदलने की राजनीति।
Kaushik, I get your point. Let me get a response now from Mr. R. Rajgopalan as well. I understand, Mr. R. Rajgopalan, there is no magic wand with the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab that, the situation can change overnight. But the question really is that instead of the situation getting better, it has gone from bad to worse. And it's not just politicians, even economists have raised a lot of concerns about how freebies are being announced, how that is eventually going to be a huge burden on the state governments and will eventually impact the development of the people of that particular state. A prime example is Punjab.
I would like to refer two important judgments from the Supreme Court on freebies. The Election Commission of India in 2022 issued a circular. There was an all-party meeting in which Aam Aadmi Party also joined and said that freebies is not at all needed. Now, coming to the point of Punjab in running a minus balance in the state exchequer, it is the full fault of Mr. Bhagwat Singh Mann, the Chief Minister, because he was busy in ferrying Mr. Arvind Kejriwal from one end to another in the special aircraft of the Punjab government. He has not concentrated on the state finance, though they have requested the 16th Finance Commission for a exemption. Now, the situation is different, Hina. We are in a digital economy. Earlier, the Congress government and the UPA government used to print currencies, like P. Chidambaram used to print currency. लगातार, नहीं तो बॉन्ड, पेट्रोल बॉन्ड लगा दो, सबको फ्री भी दे दो. लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी for the last 10 years, he has been concentrating on digital economy. Now, currency system is slowly coming into an end. We are going into the digital world. Therefore, Punjab government is totally responsible, and Mr. Bhagwat Singh Mann is so irresponsible, as Captain Amarendra Singh said, that Bhagwat Singh Mann is a joker and Navjit Singh Singhu is a joker and he is the only best for laughter challenge. That is the feeling we also get. It's a serious matter unless Mr. Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal and Bhagwat Singh Mann come together and understand the financial emergency. Otherwise, state will go for fiscal emergency, financial emergency. Situation is very worst. Though the freebies, as my panelist was also telling, everything should be given free. Are we in communist country? Why no taxation on the people? And Punjab is having a drug problem and harak problem, liquor problem in Delhi. We have to manage these things. We must go by the Election Commission and we must go by the Supreme Court dictums, and Punjab government should be held responsible for this. In next election, politically speaking, Aam Aadmi Party will be decimated in Punjab because of their wrong policies.
Okay, Sanjeev Kaushik wanted to respond. Yes, Sanjeev Kaushik, how will you now respond? Because आपकी बात हम समझ रहे हैं, सब कुछ फ्री मिल जाना चाहिए, लेकिन उतना पैसा भी तो होना चाहिए ना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के पास. अगर आप मिसमैनेजमेंट करेंगे, अपना रेवेन्यू ठीक से जनरेट नहीं करेंगे, अभी तो ऐसी नौबत आ गई है कि शायद सैलरी देने को ढंग से पैसा ना हो सरकारी कर्मचारियों को, तब क्या होगा?
हिना, देश के जोकर तो वो हैं कि 2014 में जब देश की अर्थव्यवस्था का आकार $2.50 ट्रिलियन था और 10 वर्षों में $3.75 ट्रिलियन पहुंचा और देश को 3 गुना ऋण से दबा दिया। जोकर तो वो लोग हैं जिनको ये बात समझ में नहीं आती है। क्या किया हिंदुस्तान के साथ?
नहीं,
ये क्या किया
आप
हिंदुस्तान?
इस वक्त पहले तो पंजाब की बात करिए। देखिए संजीव कौशिक जी, एक मिनट। संजीव कौशिक जी, एक मिनट। मुद्दा इस वक्त पंजाब का है। एक मिनट। मुद्दा पंजाब का है। आप फ्रीबीज अनाउंस करते हैं क्योंकि आपको वोट्स चाहिए, लेकिन जब डिलीवरी की बात आती है तब आप जाते हैं सेंटर के पास कि हमको पैसा दे दीजिए। 3.74 लाख करोड़ रुपीस का ऑलरेडी कर्जा है स्टेट के ऊपर। क्या किया जा रहा है? मिसमैनेजमेंट, फ्रीबी कल्चर जो है सिर्फ पंजाब में तो नहीं है, हमने तो बाकी स्टेट्स में भी यही देखा है।
बोलने तो जी कम से कम।
जी बताइए, आप पंजाब की बात करिए।
जो लोग घेरने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग हैं। वो केंद्र में बैठे हुए हैं, तो केंद्र में दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है कि केंद्र सरकार कितने ऋण में पिछले 10 वर्षों में पूरे हिंदुस्तान की प्रति व्यक्ति के स्तर पर कितना ऋण ला दिया है, उसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे?
नहीं, तो पहले आप पंजाब के मिसमैनेजमेंट की बात करिए ना। आप तो जा रहे हैं सेंटर के पास पैसा मांगने के लिए। मुझे आप ये बताइए कि क्या चीफ मिनिस्टर की, क्या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की कोई जिम्मेवारी नहीं है जो भी पंजाब के साथ हो रहा है? क्या पंजाब का जो डेट ट्रैप है, इज द सेंटर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट? आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन।
जनता के प्रति चीफ मिनिस्टर की जिम्मेदारी है, लेकिन केंद्र की भी जिम्मेदारी राज्य के प्रति है। बिल्कुल उससे मुंह नहीं मोड़ सकता है वो। बिल्कुल उससे मुंह मोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है और साफ दिखाई देता है कि इस तरह से मनसुता की
Mr. Rajgopalan wants to come in. Mr. Rajgopalan wants to come in. Sanjeev Kaushik, you are saying it is center's responsibility to help the state at this point in time. Mr. Rajgopalan.
The Aam Aadmi Party representative is misleading this show and also the nation. My point is, आम आदमी पार्टी ने क्या चुनाव को पहले केंद्र से परमिशन लिया है? मैं फ्री बीस जितना दे दूंगा, पैसा दे दो करके। क्यों बेवकूफ बना रहे आम आदमी का? जो आम वोटर्स के लिए बेवकूफ बात है ये। मेरा लगता है आम आदमी पार्टी ने अनशंट बोल करके फ्री 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 एवरीथिंग फ्री, लेकिन अभी फंस गया। जनता ने जागृत हो गया है। अपोजिशन इज सो स्ट्रांग, कांग्रेस इज सो स्ट्रांग इन पंजाब, and moreover BJP is also strong in Punjab. Therefore आम आदमी पार्टी फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस में बैठ गया। वायदा पूरा नहीं कर पाते हैं। ये आम आदमी सरकार ने चुनाव के पहले केंद्रीय सरकार से परमिशन ली थी क्या? इतना मैं करने वाला हूं, मुझे पैसा दे दो। नहीं दिया। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हराने के वास्ते ये अनशंट झूठ मूठ बोल दिया कर्नाटका, हिमाचल प्रदेश।
यदि आपको लगता हो कि आम आदमी पार्टी
all right, gentlemen, one second, gentlemen. I'm just interrupting you there. Mr. Rajgopal and Mr. Sanjeev Kaushik, requesting both of you to please stay on with us. We've heard the politicians, we've heard the politics over what is happening as far as Punjab's debt trap is concerned. But however, viewers, we've got reactions from other experts as well. Experts have also analyzed the financial situation and are of the view that subsidies should be given to schemes that can benefit the state, but freebies is for political motives. Listen in to these reactions.
To make a state a welfare state, subsidies are must. But what subsidies mean? Subsidies mean that you give the support to the people to make them productive and bring equity. This is the purpose of giving subsidies. Freebies are doles. If I may say so, they are kherat, one-time relief to bargain for elections or votes. Now there is an increasing trend of giving freebies. That I think should be discouraged in politics.
Let's go back to my colleague Amandeep, who has got us this story. Amandeep, we heard an expert, a finance expert, who tried to suggest that clearly subsidies, targeted subsidies is important in a state like Punjab, but perhaps freebie culture is something that needs to be discouraged because that becomes a burden on the exchequer. As we heard political reactions as well, Aam Aadmi Party trying to pin the blame on the previous regimes. I want you to tell our viewers how in the last few years specifically, the debt burden on the state of Punjab has been. Has it gone up under the Aam Aadmi Party government, or it's something from the past that the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab had to deal with?
Well, absolutely, Hina. Since if I just explain and put everything into the perspective, this subsidy is being in Punjab since years, and even previous governments has given the subsidy in the state of Punjab, just because Punjab is an agrarian state, and agriculture subsidy is very much needed in Punjab. And in fact, from past few years, there is a trend of announcing freebies. But this time, when Aam Aadmi Party has announced freebies of providing free electricity, giving 1,000 rupees to the females, adult females, in fact, enhance the pension amount also. And even after they came into power, Hina, that is very important. After they came into power, they have immediately implemented 300 units in the electricity to each household in the urban sector as well as in the rural sector. And in fact, when they checked out after 1 year regarding the financial position of the state, that turned out to be the biggest burden on the exchequer of Punjab. And in fact, several experts of the finances suggested that this scheme should be discouraged. Otherwise, Punjab will be dragged into the more debt, and in fact, financial assistance would be required from the center or from somewhere else also. Just because Punjab is having the fixed revenue, Punjab is a revenue generating state, but Punjab is having equally very much liabilities as far as the financial position is concerned. But this freebies, so far, what the situation has been analyzed so far, government cannot afford. And even every year, this freebie burden is getting increased. It is not getting decreased. Though Punjab is generating the finances from their own resources, but still this freebie is paying burdens. And that is the reason, Hina, that Punjab government has not able to fulfill their promise of 1,000 rupee to all the adult females.
Right.
Otherwise, if Punjab could have reduced the debt from the state, from the financial position of the state, they could have implemented the 1,000 rupees to the all adult females immediately, as they have promised. It was a
Because one scheme
pre-poll
already
promise.
has led to so much of burden for the state government. That's the reason why other freebies that were announced before the elections cannot be fulfilled. Thank you, Amandeep, for the moment, for joining us and putting